we're gonna make some epic cottage cheese banana pancakes. And all my tips and tricks to making these turn out perfect and cook through are in this video. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share a lot of my family's favorite recipes like these pancakes. And if that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. I'll show you how to cook something awesome a couple times a week. The blender is going to make your batter. So we're gonna start out by adding our cottage cheese in the blender. The bananas will naturally sweeten your batter. The riper the banana, the better. So we just peel it and add it in our blender. I'm also adding an egg. We're gonna add some vanilla extract. It makes these pancakes taste delicious. By the way, you can also add some cinnamon to the batter. Give it a nice little dash of flavor. What makes these pancakes fluffy is baking powder, so we're gonna add that to the blender too. And the last ingredients are these old-fashioned oats. You can also use quick cooking oats in this batter. Make sure you check the amounts because they're a little bit different in the description box below. Now you wanna blend those ingredients for about 30 seconds to 45 until the batter is nice and smooth like this. One quick tip that makes this batter a lot smoother is to add the oats at the very end. This makes blending a lot easier on any blender and you get nice and smooth results. Whether you're using a griddle or a large pan to cook your pancakes, you wanna heat your surface first, and then you're gonna take butter, oil, or spray and grease it generously once it's hot. And then we're gonna pour a little under 1/4 of a cup per pancake. As you can see, the batter is quite thick, so you can use your scoop to spread it around on the hot surface. It's time to flip them when the edges are defined and some bubbles have formed throughout. Now that these are ready, let's remove them from our surface onto a plate. Let's top these with a little bit of butter and some pancake syrup. They're fluffy. We're gonna cut a piece. Delicious. Grab the recipe for these cottage cheese banana pancakes right below, and see you guys next time.